Welcome back to my channel. We will do the comparisons today with yarn over versus yarn under. Also, we will learn to do the cross stitch two ways. First off, let's do yarn over in the rows. Insert the crochet hook in the next stitch, then yarn over to loops on the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through the both loops on the hook. Now let's do it in the rounds and see how it looks. Again, yarn over and yarn over method. Insert the crochet hook into the next street and yarn over then to loops on the hook. Sew and pull the yarn through both. Now let's do the second method. Insert the crochet hook into the next street and yarn under to loops on the hook. Sew and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Now in the rounds. So yarn under and then do the yarn over method. This is the most used cross stitch than the third method. Also, this one is most used for amigurumi. Let's do the third and last method. So insert the crochet hook in the next street and yarn under to loops on the hook. Yarn under again and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. This is also the cross stitch or the true cross stitch method. Let's do it in the rounds as well. So yarn under and then the yarn under method. Let me know if you have questions or suggestions in the comments below. Which method did you like? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Lots of love! Please like, share, and subscribe.